The first day back to school and you don't know what to do with your hair, but don't worry, I got you covered. Welcome back to Rock Nacho. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 easy back to school hairstyles. If you're interested in seeing what those are, be sure to keep watching. First style is considered a 3-pony mohawk. It's super easy. All you need is 3 ponytails, your hair, and maybe some bobby pins to pin it in place. This next hairstyle is a faux bang hairstyle with a pony and a head wrap. I think this is the perfect one of my favorite back to school hairstyles because it's super easy, super quick, and you can literally wear it with any outfit and for any occasion. This is a 2 flat twist ponytail hairstyle. Last hairstyle obviously is nothing too fancy. It's just a curly half up, half down. I did dress it up with a headband or a head wrap just to add a little accent. I did a loose pony because I liked the way it looked, fluffed it out, and was on the go. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!